Hey guys, I'm Elsie. I'm at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and the lantern I got at Knott's Berry Farm works here at Fright Fest. There are 35 interactions listed on the map. We're gonna go see how many we can get. Let's go. Do you know him?
No.
Do you have a quarter I could borrow?
No. I don't carry cash or anything. Wow.
So this could be an activation. Let's give it a shot.
Man, I wish it was me.
There you go. Shocking. We're gonna tag this kid. Look at him, all happy with his green lantern. There you go, kid. Now tread. We're entering the Wizard of Oz scare zone. The map says that there should be an activation here. Let's see if we can get it going. Oh, look, it's Dorothy. Hey, Dorothy. I love your shoes. Anything? Oh, look, it's the Wicked Witch.
Firing my headphones.
It is lovely, especially this one.
Lovely.
Look, it dazzles.
Are they beautiful?
Yes.
This is Whisker. She guards my head count when I'm not around.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So nobody messes with them because, you know, my sister's monkeys come and like to play with them.
Right.
They're resting.
They are, yes.
But this is my favorite head.
Right. Anything over here? Nope. Anything? I don't think it's working over here. Let's go on to the next scare zone. This might be an interaction spot. There's a big old spooky smiley face. Did anything happen? No? Nothing's happening. We're entering Thunderbolt Alley. The map lists 4 activations here. Let's see if we can find them through the fog. Hi.
You want to be part of them red ladies?
What's that?
You want to be a part of them red ladies?
I do want to be part of the Red Ladies.
Jacket. Just don't tell Catty Patty, okay? She's such a square. We don't want her in here.
Of course not. No.
You know what? You can have all of them demons you want. Just stay away from them bad boys. They all mine, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is something gonna light up here? Okay, nothing is lighting up here. Let's keep moving. There's nothing else back here at the end of Thunderbolt Alley. It's just dark. It's just me with my and that groovy chick. Let's go up the hill towards Tatsu. Maybe there's some activations up there. There's a Sam here in the bushes. I'm gonna try to wake him up, see if he wants to say hi. There's a little receiver right here, right in front of Sam, which I think is where I want to be pointing my lantern, but nothing is happening. There are 3 activations listed at the top of Exile Hill. A lot of monsters roaming around. Maybe they can help me. I like your lantern.
Yeah, gotcha.
Oh wow. Did you do that? Maybe he changed my lantern to, he won't say. Can I change his? No, okay. Well, So there's this coffin here, and the little Willoughby girl used to hang out here, play around, I don't know, dead bodies. Is this something? Is this gonna open or cackle or wake up? All right, nothing's happening at the coffin. There's a Sam up here hanging out. Let's give him a little dazzle, see if he gets going. There's a sensor right here, which I'm guessing is for Sam to activate, but it appears he is not plugged in. So, it's not tonight. Nice trick. It goes back. The nice older dead gentleman up here has some power over my lantern. Even though it's not in the tag mode, he somehow has gotten it to go red. I just walked through Willoughby's Resurrected with the lantern, and it didn't do anything. It just remained the same lantern color, no interactions. It's the interactive lantern you guys sell.
What?
It's the interactive lantern you guys sell.
Come on, get out of here! Go! Go, get out of here! Go, get out of here!
It didn't do anything, it didn't light up, it didn't vibrate, it didn't change colors. And I've been stopped by 2 employees that say they are not allowed to be on inside of the house, which is weird because I'm pretty sure they're meant to be on inside the house so that they can change colors like they do at Knott's, where they like change with the mood and the vibe. So I'm hoping they just don't know, and maybe the interaction things are not set up. And hopefully they'll be ready by media night, which will be next week. This is the Nightmares Reign of Blood scare zone. There should be 2 interactions here. Let's go look for them.
Stop, Queen!
Anything? Okay, there's something over here. This has to be an interaction. There's a sign with a lantern. Oh, there you go. The heads are spinning. Everything's spinning. The pumpkin, the teapot, that's cute. So there is a sign at the top of this table. I can't exactly read it. It's really dark. But it looks like there's a lantern on the sign, and when I push my button, they spin. Excuse me, birdie. Excuse me, pirate birdie. That's my light. The birds at the top of Grimmoire Ridge scare zone really like it. Maybe they know where the activations are. Oh, here's a Sam. Right by the carousel. There's a sensor right here. It should work. Oh, he's moving. That's it. I hear it hissing as if maybe there's a fog machine trying to fog. But that's it. Come on, Sam, I know you got more than that. Yeah, it went like this. It moved. It barely moved, but it moved. We are in the Devil's Triangle Scare Zone. There is another activation here, confirmed by that sign, so let's give it a whirl. I said, let's give it a whirl. Oh, there it goes. Success. That's 3 that have worked so far. Smooth.
Oh, I see you have the magic.
I do.
What is this magic?
Well, you see, sometimes it makes things move, but most often, not much.
Does it give you wishes?
No.
I shall give you a wish.
Oh, you do? I'm interested.
I can offer you immortality, riches beyond compare,
Okay.
a true love. What would you like?
I want riches beyond compare.
Riches beyond compare from the ocean deep. I give to you from the sea the secrets. The secrets. The secrets of all eternity. Go now and be a good tyrant in the Devil's Triangle.
Oh, wow. Thank you. They're making wishes come true down here. No, nothing. There's supposed to be 3 activations in Carnival. Oh, do you know something I don't know? Here? Oh. Oh, okay. We found one more. I would have never found it without you. The map says there's 2 more interactions in this zone. I wonder where they are. Here. Let's see if this is one. Oh, it is. Okay. We're in the Carnival Scare Zone. I found another interactive sign. Let's see what it does. Ta-da! Fresh popcorn. Yum. Oh, I think I see one. It's right there. Okay, here we have our last and final Sam. There's a receiver right here. Let's let it rip. Oh, there he goes. He's waving. He's moving. All right, you saw it this time, right? I didn't imagine it. There he goes. Look at him. The Sam under Superman has lights, a little bit of music, and he does a little groove. The other Sams, they don't look like they're ready yet. And that completes our circle. So I was able to activate 6 out of 35 activations. It's supposed to change colors during the shows. I took it to Margot's Monster Ball, and it didn't do anything. I took it through 2 houses, Willoughby's and Conjuring. It didn't do anything. Kind of disappointed that it didn't do more. Some of the monsters in the scare zones are able to interact with it and like make it change colors, which was fun. It was fun. But other than that, we had a Six Flags day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Did you get more interactions? Thanks for watching.
So let's go to the boss. What do you think of a man there? Hey, DJ, play some tunes. You really give him a taste instead. You